Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set home screen rotation in your phone Moto G04. This is home screen. If you would like to rotate this home screen when your phone is rotated, what you have to do is, first of all, go to notification area and go to auto rotate here. Turn on auto rotate and try to rotate your phone is rotated but screen is not rotated. That is home screen is not rotated but other screen can be rotated. See here, I open Google Chrome and this screen is rotated, okay, but home screen is not rotated. So if you still want to rotate home screen too, what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, go to settings here, then go to home and lock screen and click on home settings, and here one option will be available like allow home screen rotation. Just turn on this button. Now when you rotate your phone, home screen is also rotated, okay, without any app open. If you just rotate your phone, home screen will be rotated. So in this way you can easily set home screen rotation in your phone Moto G04. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.